Is your car making strange noises? Are you constantly facing unexpected repairs? This video reveals the top 5 most common car problems that plague drivers, and how to fix them before they leave you stranded on the side of the road. Imagine this: you're driving to work and suddenly your car breaks down. Frustrating, right? In this video, I'm diving into the 5 most common car problems that every driver should know. Knowing these issues in advance can help you avoid breakdowns, save money, and stay safe on the road. Problem number 1. Engine issues. Watch out for warning lights. Learn what your check engine, oil pressure, and temperature lights really mean. Regular oil changes, air filters, and spark plug inspections prevent serious issues. Signs of trouble include knocking sounds, reduced power, and excessive smoke. Problem number 2. Battery issues. Your battery lifespan is usually 3 to 5 years, but heat, cold, and neglect can kill it faster. When jump-starting, always connect cables correctly to avoid sparks. Keep those terminals clean and test your battery regularly. Problem number 3. Brake problems. Squealing, grinding, soft pedals, or a longer stopping distance are all warning signs. Don't wait too long to replace your pads. Worn pads can damage rotors. And always check and top up your brake fluid for safety. Problem number 4. Tire issues. Tire pressure affects fuel economy and safety, so keep it in check. Check your tread depth with a penny or gauge. And don't forget to rotate your tires every 5 to 7,000 miles. Problem number 5. Electrical issues. Flickering lights, dead batteries, or random warning lights are common symptoms. Use a multimeter to test fuses, relays, and voltage. Prevention is key. Clean and inspect your wiring regularly. Today I covered engine, battery, brake, tire, and electrical problems. Start checking your car today. A little maintenance now can save you a fortune later. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more DIY car tips.